Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we have talked about the forget password. Now we are going to do with the reset your password. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the last video, we have forgot the password. Now I'm going to reset that password. Okay, so here you can see that now you can check the password. So I'm going to put 12345 6. 12345 6. Okay, update the password. Okay, a password updated successfully. Now I can log in. Okay, so dashboard, because I'm logged in with that one, so dashboard is there. I can access the dashboard because I'm logged in with that user. If I go and just do the sign out, okay, and let's log in with that account. This is the old password, so invalid login credentials. Now I'm going to put my password 12345 6. Okay, and here we are, sign in. Okay, so welcome back, like you're successfully logged in. Okay, so this is how we have done this one. Let's move to the reset password, what the functionality it is. So here we have the reset functionality. So we have the forgot password. Now where I'm looking for the reset password, so here we have the reset password. So the context we are using, use navigate search one, then we have password, confirm password, loading. Okay, and use effect, check if you have the access token from the URL. Okay, it's because in the parameter will give you the access token and the refresh token. Okay, access and the refresh token both are there, then we have to set the session with that token. Okay, okay, so access token, if error, then invalid or expired link, because after that because it is valid for some time, after some time you will check that one, it will give you that invalid or expired link, right? Okay, now handle submit, set the error and the set message. If the password confirmed password doesn't match, set that error. If not, then it should be at least 6 characters. So you can password compatibility, you can add the validation accordingly. Okay, if there is error, okay, now we'll check the update password. So in the update password, we have to go with the use auth. Okay, so we have the update password, that is reset password. Okay, so we have to just send the new password. Okay, Supabase.auth update password. Okay, that will give you the updating your password. Okay, because you have reset that password, right? So here we have this one. Okay, and if there is error, we have discussed that, set that error. If not, then set the password that the password updated successfully, then redirect to the login screen. Okay, so here we have the reset your password, enter your new password. Okay, then we have on submit form. Okay, so here we have the message with this one, and then we have a new password and the confirm password, two fields. Okay, after this we have a submit button. If there is a loading, then you show the loader, right? So in that case we have that one, updating your password and complete. And this one we have to use in our app.jsx for the routing reset password. Okay, so reset password is done. Now we will, next video we'll go with the simple sign out process. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.